Why do you as a business need to create videos for social media? Well, in case you haven't noticed, video is taking over social media completely. It has just exploded over the last few years, and it's not just kittens and dog videos anymore. It's a lot of business going on there. So if your company doesn't produce videos, you'll be left behind and you won't be as visible as your competitors. Video will rank you higher online because both Google and most social media platforms, they promote video content and it will push you up further to the top, so you'll be more visible. Another major benefit of video is that if you have a person talking directly into the camera, it builds up credibility and trust because you show that you're human beings within the company and that you stand up for what you say and take responsibility for what you do. And social media is also about engagement. You need to make sure that you don't just sell things all the time. You need to share valuable insights and your expertise with your customers to inspire them and to keep them stay tuned. So if you want to learn more about how you and your organization can become more camera confident and create more compelling videos for social media, I'm actually holding an in-person vlogger course in London on the 5th of October. So just follow the link above and find all the information about the crash course in London on the 5th of October, which is on Friday. I hope to see you there.